So this is the little windstorm, freezing rainstorm we're having. It's jacking my backyard up. My lights, the wind is so cold right now. My ass is freezing. But we rarely get storms like this in California, but right now it doesn't even feel like we're in California because it's so fucking cold out. I'm gonna be surprised if one of these trees don't fall over tonight. And while the storm's going on, my wife is just here hanging out in bed playing Super Mario's, getting frustrated, huh, honey?
Yes.
And I'm watching YouTube.
Is this your YouTube?
And yeah.
Okay.
I gotta go to work tomorrow. And I literally, it was so cold today that I wore a stocking cap my whole day at work. I was freezing. Freezing cold. Hey, if anybody, I just started my TikTok. If anybody has a TikTok, my TikTok is called Magoo Black, just like my YouTube channel. I just started like about a week ago, but I'm pretty much posting on there every day, a few videos every day. So it's been pretty fun so far. Oh, honey, I do jokes on my wife on TikTok. She's very concentrated right now on that game. So
yes, y'all know what Super Mario Brothers was like. You have to beat them.
she's trying to save the princess.
You have to.
So, anyways, it's nice and warm in the house, nice and cold outside. So it's about 9:30 here. I gotta get up at 5 o'clock for work. So it's almost my 5 months on testosterone. So be looking out for that video too.